Okay guys, so till last lecture we were able to create a table and we were able to insert a single record, multiple record and a bulk record, import, export, both we have seen. Now in this lecture, so I'm going to show you not just one or two query, but multiple queries. So many queries I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you even an explanation about each and every query in a step-by-step manner. So let's go ahead and let's try to understand starting from the basic query, and then I'll try not to introduce a very complex one in this one at least, because we have like a classes for a complex queries as well going forward. We'll try to move at least till mid, but yeah, so this is going to be a very good learning experience for all of you in terms of finding out the data, in terms of like filtering out some of the things which is already available inside your table. So here, what we can do is, so we can first of all share the screen. I believe it's visible to all of us. Yeah. And then one by one, we can start writing a query. So before that, I can try to select my database called as Jara. So I can just try to say that use Jara, and yeah, so it will start using Jara, as you can see in this outcome. Now, so if I have to select the whole table and a whole data from a table, a very simple command that we generally use is called as select star from a table name, right? Or database dot table name, anything, right? Anything. So this is one of the simplest and a basic command that we used to write. So select a star and then from what? So from basically PRODUCTS products. So basically select star from this particular table name, and then we try to call the execution. Yeah, we try to call the execution. Now, so here, right? So here, this is what we do, and it is going to execute. It is going to execute select star from this table, and whatever data is available, whatever columns are available, so all of those columns, all of those data set will be available inside my result grid. Very simple, right? I can just go over here. I can try to like analyze one by one things. I can look into the data if I want. So each and everything I will be able to do it. And again, so basically I can try to like do some sort of export, import, and many other operation, right? So, and many other operation I will be able to perform. Simple. Yeah, simple. I can even try to edit it from here itself. That is also possible. So I can edit the record if I'm looking for like editing the record. This is what a kind of a feature even your like MySQL Workbench provides you, a UI based feature that system is going to provide you. And even you can try to filter out rows over here. Now, so with the help of command, we are able to select each and everything, each and every columns. Now, if I have to select a specific column, right? If I have to select a specific column, for example, if I have to select maybe a name column and a price column, if I have to select name column and a price column, so how I will be able to select a name column and a price column? So what I can do is I can write over here that select name and price column, PRICE, price column, from where? So PRICE, yeah, that's the spelling is correct. So from basically what? So from a product. Now if I'm going to execute it, it is going to select a name column and it is going to select a price column. Now whatever data is available inside my name column and whatever data is available inside my price column, so all of those data I will be able to fetch. Now, if I would like to fetch some other data, other column, I can just try to write it down as a name over here, right? I can just write a column name and I will be able to fetch the information. I will be able to fetch the record. Okay, this is completely fine. Now, let's suppose if I would like to select this name column and price column, but I would like to see some different name over here. So I don't want to see a name as a column name and price as a column name. I would like to see something different. What different? So select instead of name. So I would like to see maybe a product name as a column name. Yeah. So name, I can write over here PRODUCT product and then name. So this is the name which I would like to see. And then price as product, PRODUCT product price from table. So product table, this one. So if I would like to see this, right? So product name and a product price, as you can see now, it's not showing my table column name is equal to name. It's showing basically a product name, whatever name that I have given, and it's not showing price. It's showing basically a product price. Yeah, product price. So this is nothing but it's a alias. So this is a alias which I'm trying to give. I'm just trying to rename in a runtime. So when I'm trying to see the entire record, right, entire record at that point of a time, it is going to show me a product name and a product price. Is it going to change the original name? So it is not going to change the original name. As you can see, price and original name is not going to change, but yeah, so it is, right? So it is basically going to change a name when it is going to show you the record, as you can see. So this is how I can try to give a different name. So when I'm trying to query something, okay, fine. Now, so let's suppose if I would like to filter out some of the record, yeah. So I have this entire record, as you can see, right? I have this entire record, and here, so basically we have something called as product categories. Yeah, we have our product categories. So here, if I'll just try to browse, so I have a product categories called as clothing, clothing, and then we have seasonal is equal to yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Promotion is equals to yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Now this kind of a things that we have. Now let's suppose if I would like to filter out a data, if I would like to filter out a record out of this one, just based out of the promotion, that just show me all the records where promotion is running. This is the meaning of promotion, right? Yes and no. So just show me all the record where promotion is running, or show me all the record where promotion is not running. So how I will be able to filter out? So there is something called as a where clause. Yeah, where clause. So I can try to write a where over here, and based on the where clause, WHERE, so it is going to filter out a record for me. So what I can do is I can write over here that select all the column from this product table, right? And then I can write a condition. So where promotions. So promotion is one of the column name. Yeah, this is the column name. So promotion is equal to what? So promotion is equals to yes. If I'm going to write down this one, right? Write down this one. You must be able to see that it is trying to filter out only those records where promotion is equals to yes. Yeah, promotion is equals to yes. Even you can try to filter out based on the product position. So maybe end cap, maybe aisles, right? So end cap, aisles, we have front of the store, we have. So if you would like to like filter out the data where, or maybe if I would like to know that which product is kept on a front side, right? On a front of the store, which product has been like you are keeping it at a front of the store. So I can try to do that. Select all the column, which is the reason star from basically a products over here, PRODUCTS products, where basically this product 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 underscore POSITION 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 is equals to what? A front of the store. Now if I'm going to execute this part, yeah, now if I'm going to execute this part, so it is going to give me a list of all the product which has been listed on a front store. Simple. Yeah, front of the store based on the product position. So I'm able to filter out based on the where clause. So whatever kind of a where clause which I would like to write, I can try to write it down over here. Yeah, over here. Now let's suppose I would like to filter out a product based on maybe a pricing, and I would like to write the condition over here that give me all the product which is having like a price more than $100. Yeah, so give me all the product list of all the products. So where price is more than $100, I can do that as well. So here I can write that select star from basically products where yeah, so where basically the price of this product is where price of this product is greater than 100, and simple. It is going to give me all the records, as you can see, all the records where price is more than 100. Simple, right? Simple. So based on this greater than condition, greater than, lesser than, or equal to condition, I am able to filter out the data. Yeah. So I am able to filter out the data. Now let's suppose, right? Let's suppose I have to write not just one condition, but maybe a multiple condition. So I would like to like filter out basically a product based on the pricing. So where price is greater than 100. Along with that, so I would like to also filter out based on the promotions. So if promotion is yes, if promotion is up and running, Yeah, promotion is up and running. So based on both, if I would like to filter out, will I be able to filter out? Yes, obviously I will be able to filter out those records as well. So here what I can write, select start from products where price is greater than 100, and I can write and clause over here, and clause over here. So and is again a reserved keyword, and clause, and here. So promotion is what? Promotion is equals to what? So promotion value is equals to, yes, this is something which I can write. So it is going to check. So wherever both is true, and means if both will be true, then only it is going to give you the result. Yeah, then only it is going to give you the result. So this is where and comes into a picture, and here, so promotion is yes, and then price, as you can see over here. So price is more than $100 and promotion is yes, then only I'm able to get the record. Yeah, then only I'm able to get the record. So hope all of you are able to learn something, guys. Some of the queries that we are discussing over here, right? And it's pretty much fruitful for all of you. So in this way, we'll try to improvise our query writing skill, by the way. So, okay, this one we are able to do it. Now, so here, we would like to, let's suppose, maybe filter out some of the data based on maybe a seasonal and a price, or so by using a or condition. So either it should be a seasonal or like price should be more than 100. So either of condition is going to fulfill, or either of this condition is going to be true. It should give me some data. Here I have used and condition, right? So I think we all are aware about the and table. So when both is going to be true, it is going to give you true. If one of things is going to be like a false, the entire things is going to be false. In case of or, either of a things is supposed to be true. So it is going to give you the result. So here I have to filter out data based on the product and based on the season, basically. So I can try to write where price is 100 and or seasonal, right? Seasonal is equals to yes. So either price is greater than 100 or it should be seasonal, right? Or it should be seasonal. So if I'm looking for that record, yeah. So see, it is going to check either condition, right? Either condition it is going to check. So whatever record you are going to pick and choose, you will be able to find out that either seasonal is equal to yes, right? Or price is lesser than, price is greater than 100, or both, because this is how OR table works. So OR table is going to give you 1 if any of the situation is going to be 1, or it is going to give you true if any of this situation is going to be true. For example, maybe I can try to draw a table for you. Generally, I discuss about this even in my a Python classes. So if I'll talk about a OR table, so how OR table is going to work, by the way, guys. So OR table, let's suppose X and then Y, and then this is output. So true, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. Means either of this condition is going to be true, it is going to give me true. Now here, so either this is going to be true or this is going to be true or both is going to be true, it is going to give me a result. So wherever it will first of all check price greater than 100, okay, fine, give the result. Seasonal is greater than yes, seasonal is equal to yes, give the answer. And if both is going to be true, again give the answer. So that's the reason you will be able to find out all the records over here, right? All the records over here. So maybe no, but price is greater than 100, it's giving me the result. Or maybe both the condition is going to be satisfied and then it is giving me the result. As simple as that. Yeah. So this is how this clause is going working, by the way. So we are able to write and we are able to write basically or over here, right? Now, so we can try to write even a not condition. So and or is fine. We can try to write even a not condition. So here I can try to write down that select all the columns from products where I can select promotion. So not promotion is equals to yes. Yeah, not promotion is equals to yes. So it is going to give me all the results. So where promotion is going to be no, by the way. Yeah, promotion is going to be no. So where not, so this is basically a not clause. So and clause, not clause. Not is nothing but like just reverse of this. So I've given promotion is equal to yes. It will always not check for promotion is equals to yes. It will try to give you rest of the data. As simple as that. Yeah, as simple as that. Now, so there is something called as like clause, which I would like to discuss with all of you. So for example, if I have to just do some sort of a matching, right? So where it is matching with maybe JSC. So wherever name and then there is a matching called as JSC, give me all those records. I don't want to match with the exact one. Here we are matching with front of the store or maybe yes or maybe no, some number comparison we are trying to do. So here what I would like to do is I would like to match just with JSC, okay, for example, right? So wherever this word will come, this combination will come in my particular column, give me all those records. So for example, I have a name column, right? So there is a jacket. So maybe I can try to write a clause over here, query over here, that select star all the columns, right? From basically products table. So where where I can say over here that name is, right, the name of the product that we have. So name is basically where name, and then I can use a like command. Yeah, like clause over here. So where name is like what? So like basically quotes and then percentile over here and JACK and then quotes over here, quotes closing, and then over here inside that we can write a percentile. Yeah. So this is just a pattern I have given, as you can see, just a pattern I have given over here. Now let's try to execute. Let's see whether I'm able to get some answer or not. So here you must be able to see that wherever we have a JACK in name, yeah. So wherever we have JAC in my name, wherever, right, it is giving me all the record. So this is basically a pattern based filtering. So it is trying to check so whether before and after, this is a percentile based before and after. So whatever is there before and after, that's not my concern, but yeah, it should contain JACK, and that is a result I am trying to yield. I'm trying to fetch out of this one. Fine. So I believe like this makes sense. Yeah, this makes sense. So again, simply you can try to like fetch all the description. So maybe I would like to like fetch. So where jacket is mentioned or puffer is mentioned inside the description or slim fit is mentioned inside the description. So here maybe I can try to like call this one where description DESCRIAP description is like what? So inside a description. So I would like to like fetch all the slim fit. So wherever we have a slim fit inside the description, show me all the product. Yeah. So see, slim fit, wherever we have a slim fit, right? Wherever we have a slim fit, I'm able to fetch all those records. As simple as that. So it is trying to match just this particular pattern, and wherever this pattern is matching, I'm able to filter out the data. Simple. Okay. Now let's move to the next section. Yeah. Let's move to the next section. So here we have multiple records. Yeah, so here we have a man section, and then we have basically some others. Women section, I'm assuming. I haven't looked into the data. So I can try to filter a product which is available in a men's section, or maybe which is available in a women's section. I can try to filter out all the product, and then maybe I can try to leave the rest. So maybe multiple categories filtration I have to do. So this is what I'm talking about, a multiple categories filtration. Even like a terms, jacket and t-shirt. So maybe I can try to filter something from a jackets, and all the jackets I can try to filter out, and t-shirt I can try to filter out together. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's do it. So select select star from this product table where, right? So where section, right? Section is my column name, the last column name, ACCTION, section in, I can write in, and then I can write multiple things over here that, okay, check in this one and check in this one. Yeah. So maybe I can write that check with man section and check with WOMEN, woman section as well. And in either of this section, if my data falls, give me the record. Yeah. Give me the record. So this is what this one is going to perform, guys, by the way. So here you must be able to see that man. I believe there is no record for a woman, by the way. Yeah. Okay, there is no record for women. So maybe I can write this query for my other column, which is basically a terms column. So where terms in TRMS, terms, this is a column name, right? And I can try to filter out maybe two items, shoes, SHOES, shoes and jeans. I would like to filter out only SHOES, shoes, and then I would like to filter out basically JEANS. Okay, so JEANS, shoes and jeans, and then I'm going to execute it. So now you will be able to see that it is giving you only those records where terms is equals to shoes and jeans, only shoes and jeans. So multi-filtration, right? Multi-filtration. Let's suppose I have a multiple categories. I don't want to see all the categories, but yeah, couple of categories I would like to see. I can just try to mention it over here. And then it is going to show me that. Yeah, it is going to show me that. So this is how in is going to work. I can write multiple things, shoes, jeans. I can write couple of more item over here, 10, 20 if I want. That's pretty much feasible. Yeah. Okay. Now, so this is a in clause and the in operation. So now I will try to show you some other operations. Select a star from PRODUCTS products where, right, where price in between. So there is something called as in between, right? Not in, price between. Yeah. So there is something called as between, a keyword basically. Now, so here I can try to mention between 100, price is basically between 100 and 150, 100 and 150. So here I'm trying to say that select a star from product where price is between 100 and 150. So give me only those records. So here you will be able to find out that whatever product that we have over here, which is like a price is basically 100 and 150, it is going to give me the records. Simple. Yeah, it is going to give me the record where price is basically between 100 and 150. So this is how basically this between clause is going to work, guys. Yeah, between clause is going to work. Now, so if I have to check that whether we have a null values in some of the column, for example, we had a name column, right? So I have seen some null values over here, even description, I have seen some null values. So let's suppose if I would like to check that whether we have some null values, yeah, whether we have some null values. So I can try to like check it over there. Yeah, check it over there. How I can check it? So I can try to do like a select a star from products where WHERE, where I can write a name, right? Name is basically a column. So name is null. So is null is a clause which is again available. And okay, so there is only one column that I'm able to find out where we have like a name is equal to null. In that one we don't have a null, we have something else. Okay, so this is how I will be able to find out. Let me check with some other. So yeah, we just have only one null column. Yeah, so is null is again like one of these things. Now, so let's suppose we had a price column, right? In a price column, so I would like to like see all the record maybe into a price ascending order or maybe into a price descending order. Means like a high to low, low to high. Yeah. How I will be able to see that? So I can write over here that select a star from basically these products. So where, yeah. So where I can write over here, sorry, ascending order, right? So let's start from like products. Okay, just a minute, guys. So products. So let's start from products and in a ascending order, right? I have to see the product, let's suppose. So I can use basically, there is something called as order by clause. So product order by and then order by what? So price column, ASC. So ascending order, right? So DSC means like descending order, ASC means ascending order. So here it is going to show you the product price and all the data into an ascending order, as you can see. Yeah, into an ascending order, it is going to show you all the price. Now, similarly, in a descending order, if you have to see the data in a descending order, so DESC, in a descending order, you will be able to see the data. You will be able to see the information into a descending order. As you can see, from top to bottom, it will start showing you the data. As simple as that. So in a ascending order, in a descending order, you will be able to see the data. Now, let's suppose I'm trying to fetch all the records, right? I'm going to do like a select a star from, and this products, and I would like to see not all the records, but maybe like a 3 or 4 rows, right? 3 or 4 records. There is a command called as limit. So limit 4 if I'm going to say. So in that case, it is going to show me only 4 records. Simple, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 records. Not including like a header over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 record it is going to show it to me. As simple as that. So again, limit is one of the clause that you should know, right? And let's suppose I would like to see the record into price wise into an ascending order. Yeah, I would like to see this entire price into an ascending order. Limit by 3, maybe 5. Yeah, maybe 5. So 5 record I would like to see over here, in a ascending order, but first 5 record I would like to see. So yeah, these are the data which I have inside my table, which I am able to see it. So pretty much easy, I believe, right guys, everyone? Yeah. So here, let's suppose I would like to find out that how many total number of record I have. Total number of record I have in my whole table. How many total number of records I have. So how I can do that? Select count and count what? So count star. Star means all the columns. So select count basically from what? So from basically this product table. Select count from the product table. So this is going to show me that the total number of record that we have over here, right? That we have over here. So this is basically aggregation command. Count is basically aggregation command. So total number of product that we have here, or total number of like a record that we have over here inside my table is 510. So this is what count is going to give me. Now, so let's suppose we had a price column, right? And I would like to see that from a price column, right? From a price column. So what is the average price? Means select the entire price divided by the number of price divided by number of record, which is 510. So I would like to see that what is the average AVG, right? Average as a function I can try to use, and then I can try to pass maybe a price column over here. So what is the average price from 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 this product table? Yeah. So what is the average price from this product table? So the average price of my product is basically $86.42. That is my average price, right? If I would like to know that what is the minimum price, so I can use a minimum as a function, right? I can use minimum as a function. I can try to pass a price over here, and then I can try to say that from 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 PRODUCTS products, right? So products now, so execute. And this is the minimum price. So minimum is again one of the aggregation function which is available. Now similarly, let's suppose from this product one, I have to find out what is a maximum price that I have for the product. Yeah, what is the maximum price? So I can try to find out maximum price. Maximum price is 439. So minimum price, maximum price, average price, count, everything we are able to find out in the easiest possible way. Yeah. So whether it's a max price, let's suppose this is the max price column name it is trying to showcase, right? Now I don't want to showcase as a max price. What I want to do is I want to give some alias. So max price as like M underscore PRIC. Show it in this way. It will show it in that way. See, M underscore price column name has changed. So this is just an alias which I have given, and I have already used like an alias even before. So I believe we all are aware about this part. Yeah, we all are aware about this particular part. Okay, so maximum price, minimum price, average price, all these things we are able to like get it. Yeah. Now, so inside our table, right, we have a column, and inside this column we have basically scrapped at, then we have let me see the whole data. Select a star from products. I will just try to show you a couple of things over here, guys. So currency, price, scrapped. Okay. So we have basically a terms, right? So inside a terms, you will be able to find out like a jacket or maybe a shoes, maybe a sweaters. You will be able to find out t-shirts. You will be able to find out. Yeah. So we have a multiple terms, and inside terms we have a multiple categories. So inside a sweater, we have multiple product. Inside a jackets, we have a multiple products. Inside a t-shirt, we have a multiple products. Inside a shoes, we have a multiple products. Yeah, multiple products. Now, so basically, I would like to know that how many products do we have in jackets? How many products do we have in a shoes? How many products do we have in a t-shirt? Like that, right? I would like to know. So basically, it's called as a grouping operation, group by, yeah, group operation. So in a group, how many records we have? So it will go to that column called as terms, right? It will go to that column called as terms, and then it will try to find out the distinct item. How many distinct item do we have, right? And then inside in that distinct item, how many like total items we have. So here, what I can do is that I can try to write a query, select TRMS terms, right? Select terms, and then just try to do a count, count that we have already discussed. So count always goes for the count, right? And count star means count of the whole from what? So from this product table, right? Product table, and then I can call a clause called as group by clause. So group by which one? Which column? So terms column, yeah? TRMS terms column. So now you will see the magic. Now you will see the magic over here. Let me execute. So here we had inside a terms column. So we had a variety of categories: jacket category, shoe category, sweater category, jeans category, tested categories. Now in a jacket category, we have 286 items. Shoes category, we have like 62 items. Sweater category, we have 82 items. Jeans category, we have 16 items. T-shirt category, we have 64 items. Yeah. In total, so you will be able to find out 510 items. Simple. So these are the overall major categories. So here I'm selecting terms. Terms means I'm selecting this terms, right? Then count star, and this group by is trying to like, it will go to the entire like column, right? It will try to find out the distinct, then group it, give it to you. And here what I'm trying to do, so I'm trying to perform the count operation based on the groups, right? I'm trying to perform the count operation. So going forward, I'm going to perform more such kind of operations, right? Okay, so this is called as a group by clause. Now, so here, what we can do is, so let's suppose we have to select a statement we are able to understand, right? Select a statement we are able to understand. Now, let's suppose we have to basically do some sort of a update operation. How many queries we are able to write so far? Okay. So now we have to, let's suppose, update some of the data. Okay. So what I would like to do is, so I would like to update all the record, which is, so for example, we have this table, right? We have promotion is equal to no and yes, and then we have a pricing. So here I would like to update this record, right? Update this record. So wherever pricing is greater than 100, condition will be, so wherever pricing is greater than 100, let's suppose I am running a promotion. So wherever pricing is greater than 100, running the promotion. So update the table, promotion is equals to yes. So this is what I would like to do. So how I can do that? So instead of using a select statement, I can try to use what? I can try to use a update statement. So update what? So update basically a table. So table name is basically product. So update table. Now, so what we are supposed to update? So here I'm going to use a set command. So update table set. Set what? So set promotion column name, PROMOTION. Promotion is the column name. So promotion is equals to what? Set promotion is equals to yes, right? Yes, where price is greater than 100. So where price is greater than 100. So wherever price is greater than 100, do one thing, update the entire table. Yeah. Update the entire table wherever promotion, update the entire table. So wherever price is more than 100, make promotion is equal to yes. Means I'm running the promotion. Yeah. So this is the update command. So far we were talking about select. Select will try to give you the data. Update. So I'm going to use it to update the existing record. So, okay. Now, so I can try to filter out a record. Maybe like I can write over here that just to verify. So select star from this product table. So where price is greater than 100, maybe just for the cross verification. So price is greater than 100 and it is not able to update it permanently. Okay, not an issue. Okay, so I forgot to check the final status output in terms of update. So here it is giving me some error and it is telling me that you are into a safe mode. So yeah, there is an issue basically. So by default, your SQL workbench will be in a safe mode. Safe mode means it will not allow you to update or delete any kind of a record. So you can try to enable and you can try to disable a safe mode as per your need. For example, I would like to update some record, right? So what I can do is I can try to write it down over here so that I will be able to enable the disable the safe mode. So here there is a command called as set SQL. Here you will be able to find an underscore safe underscore updates is equals to 0. So this is something that you have to run. So once you are going to run this one, then try to run your update, and this time update will not give you any issue. As you can see, last time update was giving me an issue, but this time update is not giving me an issue. Now I can cross check with this one. So yeah, wherever we have price more than 100, it is able to update. Yeah, it is able to update. So just enable a safe mode. You can, if you would like to disable the safe mode. If you would like to enable once again, then you just have to change the value from 0 to 1. So 1 means safe mode is enabled. By default, it will be enabled. Yeah. And 0 means what? So 0 means safe mode is basically disabled. So now you will be able to go and you will be able to perform the update operation. So hope this is making sense to all of us. We are able to perform the update operation over here. Yeah. So fine guys, with that, thank you so much. And again, we have discussed a lot of queries over here. Now we are going to discuss a lot of queries further after some time. Yeah. So in our next lecture itself.